Now, in terms of financing or money, these are the different options that we have. So we have a registration fee of $50. What that goes to is all books, supplies, and materials that Anne-Marie needs for as long as she comes here. Okay, that means you don't have to go buy book supplies. You don't have to go buy, a new set of school supplies. You don't have to remember to bring a backpack up here. We have everything here when she gets here. You just need to get her here. We'll have everything here when she walks in the door. Now, a 2-hour a week, our hourly rate is $55 per hour. And our first option is we have a 2-hour a week program. That's our minimum program. That will average $440 per month. As you go down this list, you'll see you have options of more hours per week. Now, why would you do more hours per week? Well, here's why. If we go back to this estimate, which was 180 to 200 hours to get her up ahead of her classroom, if we did 2 hours a week and it took 180 hours, well, that's going to take about 22 and a half months. Okay, so that'd be about 2 years. Mm-hmm. Well, 2 years from now, we're at 5th grade. 2 years from now, she's going to be in late 7th grade. And at that point, we'd just now be reaching late 6th grade. So we'd still be behind. Mm-hmm. So if you do 4 hours a week, it's going to take it from 22 months down to 11 months. So that'd be about this time next year. Well, about this time next year, she'd be in late 6th grade. So she'd be right caught up with her classroom. We'd have caught up a 2.5-year gap by this time next year.
Okay.
Well, if we do 6 hours a week, that's going to happen in 7.5 months. So we're here in March. That'd be April, May, June, July, August, September, October. By about mid-October, if she tracks with the national average, she'd now be ahead of her classroom.
Okay.
So you would have taken her from 2.5 years behind to now ahead of her classroom in 7 months, 7.5 months. Okay, well, the more hours a week that you do, that does come with more monthly cost. So we have 3 different payment options as to how you could do that. Our most popular option that we have is a tuition finance program. That is a no-interest payment where you could do 2 things. First is lower your monthly payment, and then the second is do more hours per week to get her caught up quicker.
Okay.
So let's just take this as an example. If you were to borrow 180 hours and set it up on one of these finance plans, 180 hours at $50 per hour would be $9,000. Now, if you divide that out over 24 months, that makes a monthly payment of $375. That is actually less than our minimum payment here of $440.
Mm-hmm.
However, you can do however many hours a week, and your payment still stays $375. So she could do a 6-hour week plan, and rather than paying $1,320, you're paying $375. You're just paying it out over 24 months at no interest. So a lot of our families do that because it allows them to have a payment that's consistent and low, paying it out over a little longer time period, but allowing them to do more hours per week.